Guys, what's happening? Sun urged to go to Singharaja, so we'll see how that comes out. So taking the long route, waiting for a bus. Check this out. Hey guys, so I came to Lakpandura, so we are just I'm waiting until the transport comes, and there goes the bystander. And this is the So came through a jungle, and then this is where we are. It's a nice place. Hey guys, good morning. So we stayed the night here at Bandura Kalavana Rainforest Bungalow. Very nice place. Just check this out. Check out the natural pool. It's like really awesome. And this is the exterior. I'm not sure if you can see it properly. It's very nice. And here is the famous Bandura Mala, aka Venus flytrap. The car park. And there's the car we came in. Never, Pam, Sila tanane. So we are going to start a barbecue now.
BBQ.
BBQ. Yeah. Oh, him. So guys, that's all for tonight, and tada! This is what we did.